Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So it's Thursday and I am heading into uni a little bit earlier than I need to be. I'm going to meet some of my course mates and we're all going to get started on our chemistry coursework that's due in like just around Easter time, so hopefully that'll be all good. And then I actually have like a little coursework session with my chemistry lecturer, so hopefully I'll actually get like quite a lot of that done today, which will de-stress me a lot because I have so many things going on at the minute, as you'll have seen from the last vlog. So yeah, I'm just about to head to uni, go to the library for a bit, and then I've got lectures and I will speak to you as soon as possible. Right, so I'm now back from uni. I literally just had a quick break just to have some beans on toast because I really fancied it, and I've had a couple of Maltesers. I was at the library 12 till 2 doing some work, starting my chemistry coursework. Then we had the chemistry lecture. It was sort of helpful-ish. Like, it's just, I'm not very good at chemistry, so like the information doesn't sink in and the knowledge doesn't sink in as well for me, so I'm struggling a bit, but hopefully I'll get through it. I'm just rereading through my trace evidence case review that's due in tomorrow. I've literally got, I think I've spoken about this, but if not, I've basically got a deadline tomorrow, deadline the week after, I've got a test the week after, and then another piece of coursework. So it's literally like bang 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 every single week now until the Easter break, which will be nice. I can't wait for a nice little break. But yeah, I'm just in a bit of a stress mindset. I think as soon as I've read through this a few times, made some little changes and like wording switches and stuff, then I'll be able to submit it and then I can have a nice chilled night because I've been so busy and I just deserve a break, you know, like. And then tomorrow I can just start focusing on my coursework that's due in next week. And yeah, I'm trying to take it step by step because before, when I just think about it, it stresses me out, and then because I'm so stressed I can't focus on doing work and I'm not as productive. So I'm trying to tell myself that it's just one step at a time. Like, I've got a week to prepare for each thing, so yeah, sorry if I'm not my usual self in my vlogs. I am feeling a little bit like all over the place at the minute. I'm sure I'll be back to normal soon, and yeah, sorry if they're boring as well because I'm literally going to be just sitting in and there's going to be so many time lapses, but hopefully it in turn makes you guys more productive and you can just sit alongside me doing some work. Very dark, but it's happening. I'm just about to submit my work for tomorrow. I'm so excited to get it just out of the way. It's submitted, thank God. Woo! Goodbye to this because it has been ruining my life over the past week. Yeah, it feels so good to be free. So I've just submitted that coursework and I'm going to give myself the evening off. I don't know what we've got planned, but I'm sure me and Hat will find something fun to do. I think we're planning on filming a video tonight, which is actually really exciting, and lots of people have got involved on Instagram so far. Make sure you are following me on Instagram because I always ask for like help, or if you guys want to see stuff, like I always interact with everyone on Instagram more than anything, so definitely go follow me over there if you want to chat. Yeah, me and Hat are thinking about filming a video about medication, and we're going to be talking about anxiety, depression and like acne, because Hattie was on Roaccutane last year or a couple of years before uni. So yeah, we're going to have a little talk about medication, like the implications, side effects we've gone through, why it's worked for us, and like why it's such a taboo thing, because a lot of people always sort of like neglect medication or think it's the last resort, which it kind of is at some points. But yeah, we're going to just discuss that whole topic. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe to my main channel as well, and also check out my Instagram to be involved in future ones. But yeah, I thought it would be a good Taboo Tuesday topic because not a lot of people talk about medication or like antidepressants very openly because people see it as a negative thing. And yeah, I don't know, I just want to help people out and make others feel like they can make a decision and hopefully like reach out to the doctors or speak to a professional about things like this when they are feeling low and stuff, because it is so important these days. Like, hearing all the awful news, it like breaks my heart. So I just want people to feel happy enough and that little bit more confident to go into the doctors and like explain how they're feeling to hopefully get the help they deserve. So yeah, that's a possible plan for the evening, or this weekend we're going to film at some point. But yeah, I'm just about to tell Hattie that I finished so we can party. So I have had a very, very productive evening. Had a little bit of a break for a while with Hat, but I have been starting to get on with some coursework for the next week, and I'm actually feeling just really wide awake. It's literally 11:15, but I just thought I might as well make the most of this like energy, and I'm actually going to be doing some revision for my human identification test, which I have in a few weeks' time. So basically I did a presentation that you guys might have seen me talk about, and we haven't got our grade back for that, but that's actually 50% of my module, and then the other 50% is actually a test like before actual exam season starts. So I have like a multiple choice question test, which I originally thought, oh, that's not that bad, like it's multiple choice. However, I've seen some of the example questions, I was like, Jesus, it's really, really detailed, so I'm gonna have to go over everything. It's literally like different parts of bones and things like that, and looking at the pathology of bones, and we're gonna actually be in the lab and like walking around at different like stations, and we're gonna actually have like the physical bones and have to like say which like part of the vertebrae like the certain bone is from, or like which numbered rib it is. So yeah, it's a little bit more technical than I thought it was going to be, but I do really, really enjoy human identification. It's one of my favourite modules because it's to do with forensic anthropology, and that's what I'm thinking about possibly doing my dissertation in next year. I'm not sure exactly what route I'm going down, or like if I possibly can do that, like because we haven't really had any chats about dissertations yet, which is kind of freaking me out. But yeah, that's what I think I'm going to go down the route of forensic anthropology if possible. So that's why I enjoy that's why I enjoy my human identification module so much, because we literally just talk about bones and look at the bones and stuff like that all the time, and I just find it really interesting. So I'm just going to go on Quizlet now, because I always use that for like revision of like certain things, and I'm going to go over like the main parts of the body, and yeah, hopefully it's helpful. Might as well use this energy for something productive before I head to bed. So yeah. Good morning. So I've just been doing a lot of little bits and pieces that I need to do, like just put some washing on and like tidy up and things. But today is a lovely day. I'll see if I can zoom. The sky is like bright blue, and I'm pretty sure the weather is like, it's like at least 15 degrees outside, because I just went to take my bins out and it's super hot. So I'm buzzing. I'm just on Quizlet going through some of the bones, and I just find this is the best way for me to like memorize and learn specific words and definitions and stuff. So that's what I'm doing right now, and then I'm gonna get my makeup on. I need to take photos for a girl called Chloe, who I done stuff for, I think it was for her dissertation or some sort of project she was doing in her 3rd year, and she interviewed me, but I like wrote my answers, like I typed my answers. And she wants some photos to go with my interview, so I'm going to go take some of those once I've done a bit of revision. I only have one lecture today, and it's at like 3 o'clock, so I can have a lot of time to like sort myself out and do some coursework and revision before I actually go in. So I've just come up to my room to do my makeup. I literally can't get over how sunny it is. It's just made me in such a good mood to start the day, which is fab. I have a busy one today, like I said. Even though I've only got one lecture, I've got to do a lot of other bits and pieces. Yeah, like carry on with my coursework and stuff, and then I'm actually going to see Carrie later, which will be lovely. We're going to have like a nice chilled girly night in, maybe get some food, just chill, which will be lovely. Yeah, I just need to do my makeup now and get them photos sent off, because I just want to get cracking on with my other stuff. Again, in your arms, and it's so hardcore. I'm falling. I have actually got all the work that I wanted to get done. I'm so happy. Just packed my bag, but I'm just about to go make some pasta for lunch, go to my lecture, and then I need to like scan some documents, my like lab notes for one of my coursework pieces. I need to go to the library to do that. And then I think I'm going to go to the gym. I've got into my like gym stuff, so I think I'm going to go gym. I might take some like cleanser and stuff with me because obviously I don't really want to be in the gym with my makeup, but I mean it'll probably be off by the time I end up going to the gym before I go to Carrie's, because she'll be back at like 6ish, so. Right, so my lecture's over. I scanned all my stuff in the library. I did a bit of work because I didn't want to be in the gym for like 3 hours. But yeah, I'm now heading to Pure Gym. I'm literally like two seconds away, and I'm going to have a nice like hour and a half workout before going to Carrie's. Me and Carrie are having a girly night in. Cute. Dom-doms. But we don't care. Because you deserve a treat every once in a while, ladies. And gents.
Have a treat.
I say ladies because 98% of my analytics show that most of my viewers are female. Taste test. Yummy. We were going to film a mukbang, but we just sort of wanted to just sit and enjoy the pizza, you know?
Yeah, sometimes you can't always film. I'm just going to take a little
slice. Oh yeah, I've got herbs and chicken, by the way. Got a big boy Coke. Oh, you're right there. Okay. Well, we're going to indulge.
Oh my.
Oh my God. Thank you so much for watching the past 2 days. Look how patchy my neck is from my tan. Love that. So I'm just gonna hide that there for a second. Make sure to hit a thumbs up if you have enjoyed these vlogs. Subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you very soon for another vlog. Bye.